So I'm already on day 6 of 30. I don't know how I got this far, but I did. No celebrating yet though, because we're not there yet. We still got way more to go. 24 days to be exact. 24 more days of it. Well, yeah, 24 more days of this to be exact. So the whole point of the series is just kind of show, or kind of try to better myself and just post literally as much as I can. And just why not, and share what's going on in my day-to-day life. So today I was mowing. I didn't get any footage of it because it's hot and I was trying to get it done because it took me 3 hours on the dot. And to do everything, including a couple like 2-minute breaks, just, you know, quick water breaks. And it started to rain on me when I was trying to finish up the vac, which that was a first because I've never had that happen. I don't know how, but I've never had it start to rain on me. So I had to quickly try to finish up weed eating and quickly blow the little itty bitty cement part of his backyard. Yeah, I decided to share that. It's the only interesting thing that happened today. I did get a little clip of it, of the backyard being done. That's up on my Instagram now. Levi's backyard. Go follow it. I think it's in the description. I don't know, it might not be. Thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for another video. See you then.